What's up? This is Reese Wrangler, and today we're going to make a overhead view on the roof. So it's gonna look like that, but a lot higher up. So here is how I built it. I used all these tiny little hooks that you screw into drywall for hooking things up that I use for my airplanes, and I just bent them. And here's the video on how to make them. So we're gonna go straight to the vise right now. It's in the vise, and now I undo the vise, grab it, and then I squish it this way, and then it becomes flat. So now it's in the vise, so you can see. So now I'm basically done. All I have to do is bring it out. It's all flat, and then I put it back in. And bend it. Like that. So now make sure you have 4 of these all ready. 4 of these all done, and all I have to do is put them onto the roof. And then they're going to be shaped like this. So this one's going to be here, that one's going to be there, and these are 2 phone holder spots. Now you adjust it to how wide your phone is. So yeah, now let's put them in the roof. Okay, so now on my roof, I have these. So the phone will go in to like here on top, and it'll look straight down about like that at the floor. So you get a big overhead view, and you can choose either you want the phone going this way or the phone going that way. So here's a shot using these. So I walked in, this is how it look. Ow! So I walk around. You're probably facing. So this is my DIY overhead view. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, comment. What do you think? Yeah. So see ya. Bye.